Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you are doing great. This is Anjali Karki and I welcome you all in my new vlog.
बहुत
If you
अच्छा हो
guys
रहा
new
है।
over here, I want to tell you a
बहुत
little
अच्छा
bit
वाला है,
about me.
मंदिर वाला है।
My name is Anjali
मंदिर
Karki.
का
I am from
मंदिर
Pithoragarh.
का
I
है
create vlog in English to learn this
ब्रो।
language and to be fluent in this language. And I'm pretty sure that my videos will be helpful for those who
अभी सूख
wish to
जाएगा।
learn this language. Well guys, I'm so thrilled today because today we are going to my favorite place. Yes, today I'm gonna take you to the court of the Almighty, the Omniscient, the Omnipresent, and the Omnipotential Goddess Kali. I mean, today I'm gonna take you to the Gangoli Heart Temple, one of the most famous and devotional temple of our Pithoragarh district, as well as Uttarakhand. Yes. Oh. Well, we are right now. We are at Chakodi, and this Gangoli Heart Temple. It is approx how much kilometer, Puchu? 35 kilometer. Yes, it is 35 kilometer, a distance of 35 kilometer from Chakodi, and Chakodi is itself one of the most famous hill destination of Uttarakhand. From here you can enjoy the view of the majestic Himalaya, and it is also famous for its oak trees, and it always been an attraction for the tourists as well. So I'm so excited because I am called by Goddess Kali. Actually, we were planning for a long time to visit there,
गाड़ी
but
कौन चला रहा
whenever
है?
we try to visit
अंदर गाड़ी
there,
चला रहे हैं, देखो देखो।
somehow we could not. But today we got a call from
अंदर गाड़ी चला रही है।
Goddess Kali. I feel like it, and
आगे को देखो।
here is my lifeline.
चलो गाड़ी चलाओ।
Lifeline,
Hi.
please. 2 words, only 2 words.
कोई वर्ड।
Say hi,
हाय,
please, guys.
प्लीज गाइस।
Guys, I want to make him frank. I want to make him not a camera shy person. but
अरे कैमरा पर्सन
I-
है वहाँ, हाय हाय कर रहा है,
And
उनको ले
here
जाओ।
is my cutie girl, looking so adorable in her outfit, and she's saying that I am driving car. So let's go, guys. Today we are going to an amazing place, and I'm sure you are super excited, but before that I'm gonna show you the beauty around here. Look at the view, guys. These all are oak trees and some alnas trees.
क्या कहते हैं
The
ये?
view is so beautiful. Alnas trees, these are actually, in our local language we call them utis. Yes, but its botanical name is Alnus nepalensis, because this guys, this plant, it is believed that the origin place of this tree is Nepal. That's why it is called Alnus nepalensis, and nepalensis, it indicates the Nepal country, I guess. So let's go, guys, because Goddess Kali will be waiting for us to bless us. So it's really a great day for us because we are getting chance to visit there after so many years. I think 4 years. And it's Anubhav's first trip. I mean, it's Anubhav's first visit to Gangoli Heart. So she's also super duper excited. Anu, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yes, you do. Okay, say I am driving. And guys, I have dressed myself. This is our pichori. So whenever we go to temple, we prepare pichori. We are on the halfway, and from our hometown we have covered 70 or 72 kilometer distance. Here we are out of vehicle, which is on tree because it's a kafal tree, and Oh my god, kafals are so juicy on this tree. So reddish and juicy. Look at this bunch, guys.
इसमें अच्छे हैं
Actually, I'm longing to eat juicy, sour, tasty kafal. And look at Puchu.
तो इसके ऊपर आराम से पड़ना
Thank you. These are really so tasty, guys.
ताजे ताजे काफल ये काली वाले अच्छे होते हैं
Oh my god, guys, really. I'm over the moon, really.
फैला नहीं है क्या बच्चों
And this is a different way. I mean, other time whenever we go to Pithoragarh, Champawat, so we go through another route. Look at him, guys. Don't throw. Give to me. Now get down, please. Finally, guys, we are about to reach our destination. Yes, we are about to reach at the coast of Goddess Kali. Congratulations, guys, we have reached at our destination. 4th Battalion Kumaon Regiment, and we have entered inside the gate, and this is the second gate. Really, guys, as we entered into this gate, we are super excited. Before that, we were so exhausted, but now we are that tiredness, it has been disappeared. So let's go. So guys, we have reached. Just few more steps to go, then you will be at the court of Goddess Kali. The spiritual environment and the sound of bell, it gives a unique calm and a different joy to your soul. Guys, today this temple is so much crowded. You can see, so we have to wait for a long time to visit Goddess Kali. We are on queue, and right now the priest is offering bhog to Maya Ji. Once the bhog is offered, then we will get chance to visit. Look at our feet, guys. The floor is so hot. Everyone is busy to capture photos because this is our dead time, so everyone is busy on capturing photos. I myself also busy to shoot my vlog. And you know what is amazing about this, amazing and incredible, really incredible about this temple, every night the priest in this temple lays out bed for Goddess Kali, and in the morning when it is seen, there are marks on the bed. It is sees and bears the impression of Goddess Kali's body. Really, this is nothing sort of a miracle. Now the bhog has been offered to Maya Ji, and all are going one by one. There is 2 queues actually, one for the females and one for the males. So one by one all are going. We have to wait for a long time for our chance, so till then let's enjoy this beautiful spiritual atmosphere. Let's deep dive into this spiritual atmosphere. Let's enjoy it together. Finally, guys, we have done our worship. After 1 hour, we waited a long in a queue. Finally, it's done. Oh God, guys, we are stuck in a jam. It's really a cringe to stuck in a traffic jam. We are about to reach Lohaghat. Let me tell you, we're stuck in a traffic jam for 2 hours. Oh my God, it was so difficult to stay there for such a long time. And now we are about to reach Lohaghat. Let me tell you more about this Kalika temple. It is believed that once upon a time, when a ship who was carrying soldiers of Kumaon regiment, it was about to sink, and the soldiers put their all effort to save the, to save the ship from the sinking, but they couldn't. And at the last moment, all the soldiers together prayed to goddess Kali for help. And suddenly their ship reached at the bank of the river. Not only this fact, but there are so many cases where goddess Kali help Indian soldiers and Kumaon regiment soldiers during the Indo-Pak war, during the Indo-China war. Every time, whenever the soldiers prayed for her to protect them from all the harms, he did everything. Okay. And from that day, goddess Kali is known as the east of the Kumaon regiment. I mean the patron goddess of Kumaon regiment. So this is why this temple is so famous. And during, even after retirement, so many soldiers, they serve there. So this is the famous thing about that temple. And look at him, guys, he's making me laugh, and there is a huge reason behind this laugh, and definitely we can't share this with you, right? We'll meet you tomorrow. Yes. See, I'm wearing my sandal. Okay, so we'll meet you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.